Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Guys, yesterday we were selling this. We hit both of our target, but before that we had a spike to the upside and got rejected from the resistance and back down again. So guys, it's simple. What are we going to do today? Guys, I'm going to mark this 15-minute support resistance now working as support, and as long as this 15-minute support keeps on working, I think we will be seeing almost yesterday's highs, which is at 1.33485. Okay guys, but once the support breaks, guys, we are in overall bearish trend. Low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, low. And if this is a low high, if we break below 1.33171, we will be seeing 1.32910. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.